So starting off the video here, we have this Tommy Bahama Island Zone polo short sleeve. It has this like nice texture and it's striped. Pretty nice bread and butter, probably like 25, 30. Next up is this Toy Richard shirt. Big floral pattern on it. I mean palm pattern. Really nice pickup. And of course we have the solid polo Ralph Lauren. I think this was a 3XB. Pretty nice sizing, really good shirt. And then another one right next to it, right here. It's a darker color. Both of them will definitely sell for some good money. These are new for me. The mock neck Nike golf shirts. I sold the Tiger Woods one for 30 bucks. I think it was like a week or two ago. This one should do pretty good too. Alright, Travis Matthews. They actually marked this one like a t-shirt at $4.19. Pretty good price on it. Just gotta look for any staining and any holes or anything. Didn't really find any, so we're definitely taking that one too. We got the Oral-B floss picks. Threw those right back up. The Hey Dudes. These would have been a really good pickup maybe like 4 or 5 years ago. Maybe even 3. Here we have the Travis Matthews shorts. Definitely a good to be on the lookout for. Probably like a quick like 20, 25 bucks, somewhere on there. And here we have some Johnny O shorts. First time finding them. They're pretty good quality. I just pick up anything Johnny O's right now, so I can just stock up on them. James Perse. We actually ended up finding a bunch of these. I didn't get them on film, but we did find about 5 of them. My brother found 4, and then I found 1. So these are all the pickups for the first stop. Pretty solid. I think we picked up like 6. The Nike mock neck I think should do pretty good. It does have a little, I didn't see it here, but it does have a little wear on the bottom, on the bottom hem where the waist is. But I still think that it should be a solid pickup. I'm guessing around like 20 something for it. And they have it marked at like 420, so pretty good. I saw some lower like 15, but we're just trying out the market. Hopefully it'll do pretty good. And then of course the polo shirts. I like picking up, these are kind of modern. You can kind of tell by the material and the tag. Pretty nice. Toy Richards, I always pick up. I always like stocking up on them. And then of course the Tommy Bahama Island Zone. I wish I could find like 10 of these at one store, but I'm never able to find that many. Just kind of looking for any holes or anything. But nope, good pickup. And then one final look through the... Oh, I messed up. So there's a new store. We're looking through the jeans. Found these Afflictions. First time finding them in the thrift. Pretty solid pickup. So these are kind of throwing me on a loop. It's Eric Emanuel shorts. Those were really popping like 2 years ago. Not sure if they're real or not. Tommy Bahama shirt that my brother found, pretty good. These are some nice custom Naruto Pain jeans. I just thought it was pretty interesting. They have the eyes in the back. Somebody being really creative. Unfortunately, I can't pick it up for the store, but whoever finds those can definitely wear them. Astros A40s. I'm always kind of iffy on electronics just because I don't have really good luck with them. But these looked really solid. The sales are pretty good. They're like 25, 24 bucks, all the way up to like 40. Unfortunately, couldn't do it. Supreme New York. I forgot what the name of this one. I think it's a Supreme Tradition t-shirt. I think that's what it's called. It looked pretty good, the tag and all that to me. It's a tube shirt, so you can't really like 100% verify it, but I think that it's real, just looking at it. And here we are looking at all the stuff we found. Some of them weren't on film, so this is kind of me recapping them. The Affliction shorts, jeans, pretty good. Eric Emanuel shorts, those were taken too. And then this Tommy Bahama shirt, I just thought it was really nice. It's like a modern one, and it does have a name on it. I haven't searched it up yet, but I'm sure it's a good find. Supreme New York is like a solid t-shirt. Looks like I'm having problems here. Alright, so we go to the Polo Ralph Lauren lightweight hoodie. These are always solid. I'm always picking these up. Any classic colors do really good on them. I found 2 pairs of these, the Young LA t-shirts. These past few weeks, Young LA has been doing really good for me. I think I'm going to show the other one here. It's a little bit of a better color, like this dirty blue color. Definitely a really nice shirt. I've been noticing a lot of the gym wear is kind of starting to get a little bit more popular as people are kind of hitting the gym and running a little bit more. Project Rock. Usually this would be a pickup, but unfortunately at $7, it's kind of not good for picking up. I mean, I make like 15 off of it, and then they're asking 7. So I put it on the cart for a little bit, but I had to put it out, unfortunately. Again, Supreme, pretty nice shirt. Then this one, it is going in the personal. It's a Darc Sports Batman collab shirt. This is like the second best print that they have of Bane. Rock Revival. I'm always kind of iffy on picking them up, but whenever I do pick them up, they sell really good. So I'm pretty confident on that one. Then we have this Patagonia Capeline. Probably a good like $30 sometimes. Metal. What do you call it? Like Metal Vent or Vent Tech, whatever, Lululemon. Smashing Pumpkin shirt. It is a modern, but it does have a back hit. And the back hit's pretty much the only reason I picked it up. All in all, solid pickups. Tell me what you guys liked from the pickups, what you guys didn't. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.